In this video I will show you how to change the ringtone on Android smartphone. First, open the screen of all applications by swiping the screen from bottom to top. Then tap on the settings icon. This will open the settings screen. Next, scroll down the screen until you see the sound and vibration section. Tap on it. On the sound and vibration screen, tap on phone ringtone. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Here you will be able to change your ringtone. The ringtones are divided into sections. For example, tap on the Pixel Sounds section. And select one of the ringtones. Then you need to tap on the Save button in the upper right corner to save our selection. If you want to choose a ringtone that is not in the library, you need to go to the My Sounds section and add your ringtone using the button on the bottom right. Thank you for watching.